Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Sign in to a Google account and open Forms. Google.com to begin a new form. Click the plus icon to create a blank form and give it a clear title. Add a brief description so respondents understand the survey purpose and time estimate. Choose a destination for responses using Google Sheets or internal storage for simple analysis. Adjust form settings to collect emails or restrict to one response when you require verified respondents. Use multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-downs, short answer, or linear scale question types for varied responses. Click the plus button to add a new question and select the best question type for the data you need. Mark crucial questions as required to prevent skipped answers and improve completeness. Group related topics using sections to control flow and add images or videos to clarify complex questions visually. Preview the form to test questions. Use the send button to share your survey via link, email, or embed code for websites. Choose to shorten the URL or restrict responses by domain when distributing to specific groups. Monitor incoming answers in the Responses tab and toggle acceptance of responses on or off as needed. Open responses in Google Sheets for sorting, filtering, or applying formulas and pivot tables for deeper analysis. Use built-in charts and question summaries to spot trends and export data when you complete the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.